Today, in this video, I will show you how to add and configure price lists in Odoo 19 Sales module. Before moving into the configuration part, let's first understand what a price list is and why it is important in Odoo sales. A price list in Odoo allows businesses to sell the same product at different prices based on conditions, such as customers, quantity, promotions, or specific time periods. For example, a company may give a special price for wholesale customers, while retail customers pay the regular price. Using price lists, businesses can easily manage these different pricing strategies within the Odoo sales module. Now, let's see how to enable the prices feature in Odoo 19. First, open the Sales module, then go to the Configuration menu and select Settings. In the Pricing section, you will find an option called Price List. Enable this option to activate price list functionality in the system. After enabling it, click on Save. After enabling this feature, go to the Configuration menu again. Now, click on Price List, or you can select Price List from the Products menu. Here, you can see all the existing price lists in the system. To create a new one, click on the New button. Here, enter the name of the price list. For example, Wholesale Price List. Next, select the currency that should be used for this price list. If your database supports multiple companies, you can also specify the company for which this price list is applicable. Now, move to the Price List Rule section. This is where we define how the price of products will be calculated in this price list. Click on Add a line to create a new pricing rule. In the rule configuration, we can choose a products to which the rule should apply. The rule can be applied to all products, a specific product category, or an individual product. Now, let's look at the different pricing methods available in Odoo Price List. Odoo mainly provides three methods to define pricing rules. One is fixed price, second one is discount, and the third one is formula. Let's see how these all functioning. The first method is fixed price. In the fixed price method, we directly specify a fixed selling price for the product. For example, I have created a price list for retail customers using the fixed price method. In this, I have provided apply to as product. Product is selected as laptop, price type as fixed price as 1 lakh, and configured minimum quantity and validity, then saved. This method is useful when businesses want to provide a specific price for certain customers. Then, the second method is discount. In the discount method, we apply a percentage discount to the product's sales price. For example, I have created a price list for wholesale customers using discount method. In the pricing rules, I have provided apply to as product and selected a product laptop price type as discount and provided a discount 20%, configured minimum quantity and validity, then saved. This method is commonly used for seasonal offers, promotional discounts, or bulk purchase discounts. The third method is formula. The formula method is more advanced and flexible. In this method, the price can be calculated using different parameters, such as discount, round off, extra fees, or margin fees. For example, I have created a price list for premium customers using formula method. In this method, I have provided price list rules as follows. Apply to as product as laptop, price type as formula, based price as sales price, discount 10%, extra fee 100, then configured minimum quantity and validity, then click Save. Now, our price list configuration in 3 method is completed. Now, let's see how these price list works in sale order. Go to Sales module, select Orders, click on Quotations, and click on New button. Here, first select Customer, select your product. Here, I am selecting Laptop, and price list is default Indian rupees in default. Then, I'm changing the quantity as 100 and changing the price list as retail customers and clicking on Update Prices. Now look, our unit price is changed range to 1 lakh, as we have provided in the fixed price rule. Next, we are providing wholesale customers as price list. Now, our unit price is changed as in the price list configuration. Next, premium customers. Our unit price has also been changed. That's all. This demonstrates how different price lists affect product pricing in sale orders. So that's how you can add and configure price lists in the sales module of Odoo 19. I hope this video helped you understand how price lists work in Odoo and how they can be used to manage product pricing effectively. Thank you for watching the video.